Welcome back to the channel where we push the limits of two wheels. Today we've got a hot one straight off the production line, the 2025 Honda CBR500R. Is this the ultimate everyday sport bike? We're about to find out. This bike is making waves with its blend of sporty styling, practical performance, and an approachable price tag. We're talking a 471cc parallel twin engine, around 47 horsepower, and a lightweight chassis that promises nimble handling. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. First impressions, wow. Honda has really sharpened the front end. It's got that aggressive, almost predatory look with the dual LED headlights. It's giving me serious CBR500R vibes, but in a more compact and refined package. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a statement. Moving to the side, the lines are sleek and aerodynamic. The fairings flow seamlessly, creating a sense of motion even when the bike is standing still. You can see the attention to detail in the sculpted fuel tank and the exposed frame sections. This bike looks fast, and it feels fast just by looking at it. Let's check out the cockpit. The digital instrument panel is clear, concise, and packed with information. You've got your speed, RPM, gear indicator, fuel gauge, and more. It's all laid out logically, making it easy to read at a glance, even when you're focused on the road ahead. Plus, it has some cool new features we'll explore later. Now, down to the rubber meeting the road. The lightweight wheels contribute to the bike's agile handling. The tires are a good balance between grip and durability, perfect for both daily commutes and weekend canyon carving. The heart of this beast is the 471cc parallel twin engine. It's known for its smooth power delivery and excellent fuel efficiency. It's not the most powerful engine out there, but it's incredibly user-friendly and provides plenty of punch for real-world riding situations. It's the kind of engine that inspires confidence, whether you're a new rider or a seasoned pro. This bike is surprisingly fun to ride. It's not an all-out super sport, but it's incredibly capable and rewarding. You can really push it in the corners and enjoy the smooth power delivery. It's the kind of bike that makes you want to ride it every day. So the big question, is the 2025 Honda CBR500R worth it? Absolutely. It's a fantastic all-around sport bike that offers a great blend of style, performance, and practicality. It's perfect for new riders looking to step up to a sportier machine, as well as experienced riders who want a fun and capable everyday ride. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new CBR500R. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome motorcycle content from Hyperdrive. Ride safe.